Today we're going to be talking about the hardpan lie and ways that we can combat the common tendencies when hitting from a hardpan lie. The first tendency is when you're around the green is you're going to use your normal club, and usually when you're around the green you're going to use a wedge. The problem with wedges on hardpan is the bounce actually works against you. We want to get a club with less bounce, so oftentimes we want to club up a couple clubs just so we can get a club that won't bounce as much. And the reason we don't want as much bounce is because when you hit a club with a lot of bounce on hardpan, a lot of times instead of doing what the bounce is intended to do, the bounce will actually work against you, and you'll hit the hardpan, bounce up into the ball, and end up sculling the shot or chunking the shot. So here we have an example of a pretty traditional hardpan lie. It's one where there's not a lot of grass, and the ground is obviously compacted harder than the normal grass, so the glove is not going to dig as easily. What this means is if we're using a normal club with a lot of bounce, is we're going to come in and we have the tendency to bounce into the ball, causing a sculled shot. So using a little bit more bounce, it's going to come into the shot and end up hitting something like that. So one thing we can do is take a little bit more club, take an easier swing, and make sure we come in with good contact.